Today, we're going to demystify a term you might have heard in the digital marketing world, CPA marketing. But what exactly is it? Let's dive in.
CPA stands for cost per action. It's a type of affiliate marketing where advertisers pay for a specific action, like a sale, a click, or a form submission. Let's say you're a CPA marketer for a company that sells shoes. You put a link on your blog to the shoe company's website. If someone clicks on that link and buys a pair of shoes, you get paid a commission. That's CPA marketing in action. So why do companies use CPA marketing? Well, it's pretty simple. They only pay when the desired action is taken. This makes it a low-risk, high-reward strategy for businesses. And for marketers, CPA marketing can be a lucrative job. You have the potential to earn money every time someone takes action based on your recommendation.